Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you 4 ways to dress up your plain old ponytails. These hairstyles are quick and easy and they don't require any braiding, so let's get started with the first one, the flip-in ponytail. Gather your hair to one side and section your hair off into 2 layers. Grab a hair tie and tie up the top layer. With your fingers, create a hole above the hair tie and flip your ponytail through it. Add the bottom layer to your ponytail and tie it with another hair tie. Make another hole above the second hair tie and flip your ponytail through it. You can definitely leave the style as it is because it does look like a mini fishtail braid, or you can tug on the tiny little strands to give the hairstyle some volume. I love this one because it looks intricate and it was really simple. Now let's move on to the next one. Gather your hair into a ponytail and divide it into 2 equal sections. There's not much to explain here. You basically want to take the 2 strands and tie them in a knot. Pull it up and tie one more knot. Combine the 2 strands, tie them together with an elastic band, and you're done. This one is perfect if you're in a rush because it takes under a minute to do. The next one is the infinity loop ponytail, and this one looks perfectly polished. Like the previous hairstyle, you want to divide your hair into 2 equal sections. Grab a small section of hair from the left side and move it to the right. Take the small strand and go over and under, then wrap your way back around, go over and under. From here you want to repeat the same steps, just take that little strand of hair and wrap it around each section. And if you get lost, just remember it's kind of like drawing an infinity sign over and over again. To finish off this hairstyle, grab a small section of hair from your ponytail and combine it with the infinity strand. Grab an elastic band and tie the 2 strands together. Pull it tight, push it up, and you're done. Here's the completed look. I like this one because it's simple yet sleek. The bow knot is fun if you want to add a little pizzazz to your ponytail. First off, section your hair at the front and clip it out of the way. Now you want to tie the rest of your hair into a ponytail. When that's done, you can remove the clip and let your hair down. Use a tiny elastic band and tie it at the same level as your hair tie. On the next loop, you want to grab some hair, but don't loop it through all the way. Create a little bow and twist your hair tie around a couple of times. To complete the bow, you need to make one more loop. Pull the strand of hair far enough to create an even bow. Now you should have something that looks like this. Flip it around and position it in front of your ponytail. Pin it down with a bobby pin to hide the hair tie, and voila, you're done. I hope you enjoyed these fun ways to dress up your ponytail. Let me know which look was your favorite in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye! Subscribe to my channel to be notified of new videos, and feel free to check out my other hair tutorials.